Hello students, today I will explain you the topic archaeologists, historians and travelers. Before starting this topic, see on page number 3 the picture of coins and punch mark coins are there. Now what is punch mark coins? The coins created by pressing metal pieces in the mold are called punch mark coins. Okay, now come to the topic. History means information given by archaeologists about past of human society on the basis of research. They go to ancient places and dig out the houses, coins, bricks, stones, implements, samples of food, bones of man and animals, etc., and study them and make us aware about culture of man of that time. Man has been wandering from one place to another since ancient time. Many travelers have visited other countries to note life of people there. From the travel details of such travelers, we get information about the history and culture of a country. It includes travelers like Megasthenes, Pliny, Fahian, Vincent. The researches of archaeologists and historian give us glimpse of great civilization which flourished in the northwest region on the bank of river Indus. In India, many cities existed more than 4,500 years ago. In the same way, it can also be known that many cities developed on the bank of river Ganga and nearby area about 2,500 years ago. All these tools give us information about customs, food, attire, technology and culture of people of that time. By exploring many cities and villages, they have given us information regarding cotton, barley, wheat. Beside this, they have also given us information about animals of that time. Archaeologists are the scholars who study about past. They categorize the tools found, do researches, collect data from manuscripts, documents, archives, and then scribe them in a rigorous way. Archaeologist and historian bring past to life. Now next topic is name of the land. We know our country by two names, India and Bharat. The word India is derived from Indus, which is called Sindhu in Sanskrit. People of ancient Iran and Greece were familiar with the Indus River. They came into contact with this region 2600 years ago. The Iranian called the Indus River Indos and the people of Greece called Indus. They knew the east bank of river as India. We know about the name Bharat from Rig Veda. A group of people named Bharat came to settle in northwestern India. It is from their name that our country came to be known as Bharat. This group is also mentioned in the early work of Sanskrit, that is Rig Veda. Now the next topic is date line. Time is very important in history. Events can be written along with time and place. We can relate time with date, month and years, such as July 20, 2018, Friday. As per it, time is associated with birth of Jesus Christ. Birth of Jesus Christ, founder of Christianity, has been associated with dateline. We call it Anno Domini, that is AD, which means years after birth of Jesus Christ. Example, 2000 AD means 2000 years after birth of Jesus Christ. Similarly, BC means before Christ, means years before birth of Jesus Christ. Example, 2000 BC means 2000 years before birth of Jesus Christ. Now student, on page number 4, you can see dateline showing AD and BC, birth of Jesus Christ. Often is written as CE instead of AD, and BCE is written instead of BC. CE means common era, while BCE means before common era. As Christianity is associated with most nations of world, we use the same date line in India as in many nations. In many cases, the word BP is also used, which means before present. Now things to know is given on page number 4. BC, that is before Christ. AD, Anno Domini, both are Greek words, which means in the year of God. Example, 2018 AD. Stone inscription, an inscription carved on stone. Birch bark, the inner layer of tree named birch, on which ancient texts were written. Students, I think you understood this lesson. Thank you.